So, welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm going to do a almond dark chocolate. So, for this recipe, you will need 1 cup of raw almonds, half a teaspoon of grounded nutmeg and cinnamon, 7 dates, all chopped up, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of extra virgin oil. So I'm going to go ahead and melt the chocolate. I'm going to do it on the stove. You can either do the microwave, whichever one you prefer. And then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So let's go ahead and melt the chocolate. Okay, so the chocolate is melting. Melt, chocolate, melt. So it's going to be almost done. It's almost there. It's melting. Okay, so all the ingredients are in there. The almonds, the olive oil, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, the dates. I'm going to take this and I'm going to place it on parchment paper in little drops. And I'm going to add some sea salt and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. I have placed them on parchment paper and have added a little bit of sea salt on each one of them, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. It looks good. I can't wait to have it. Okay, so we're all done with the almond dark chocolate with nutmeg, cinnamon, some sea salt, and some olive oil. It has been in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. It looks really good, very healthy, a very healthy snack. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.